Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I went from this dry look, kind of depressing, to that, this glamorous and beautiful look in just a few minutes. So I'm going to use Family Hair Care. This is an all-in-one gel made of all natural products that makes your hair really soft. I'm also going to use my GDH Platinum Plus Flat Iron and my Sultra Curling Iron 32 millimeters and a comb. You're also going to need a hair clip. So I'm going to start with my hair clip by separating my hair into layers. And so I'm going to put my top hair in a bun, clip it, and then I'm going to work with the bottom layer of the hair. So first I am combing my hair a little bit. And then you want to apply a little bit of the family gel. I'm going to use a pea size of the gel and apply it to the strand of hair. And you want to really work the gel through the strand. It's going to hydrate the hair. And when I'm going to use the curling iron on it, it'll be really smooth. And so you take the curling iron, roll the strand of hair around it, and I like to wait for about 30 seconds. I really just count to 30 very slowly. And there you go, a very beautiful loose curl, super shiny. And so I'm going to make my way through my bottom layer. So again, I'm taking a big chunk of hair, a whole strand, a pea size of the gel. I am applying it on the strand so it can really penetrate the hair all the way to the bottom, which is where my ends are very dry. And I'm going to keep going. And there you go. We have the first layer done. So I'm going to unclip my hair and separate it once more to create a middle layer. And then I'm going to comb it through. Again, apply some of that gel and working through the strands of hair. And same thing, using my curling iron, and so on until this whole layer is done. And so what I really like about this product is that it's really easy to apply and it makes my hair very shiny and slick together. So the after effect of it is that there is no frizz. And so it's really awesome. And now the top. So unclip the hair, and then I'm going to use my comb and tease the top of the hair so I can get some really nice volume going on. And then you see how my hair is like super dry on top. And that's the layer that people are going to see first. So we need to do something about that. More gel. And so what I think is important to understand with the look that we're trying to achieve here is that you need to take big chunks of hair. It doesn't have to be tiny, but organic chunks. And so you can really obtain a natural, big, loose curl. And a couple of the ingredients that are in there are water, shea butter, coconut oil, mango seeds, glycerin, avocado oil, hibiscus flower, carrot oil, vitamin E, olive oil. So it's all very pure natural ingredients. And so I know that it's good for my hair. And it's also all in one. So I can literally use this, guys, to curl my hair, but also to wash my hair, to detangle my hair, as a growth serum. I can also use it as a leave-in conditioner, a deep conditioner. I can use it to sleek my hair, to twist it, and just to give it some really nice, shiny, bouncy curls, just like the look that we're creating right now. So as you can tell, those are very beautiful loose curls. And I can kind of shape it a little bit with more gel, fix the bangs, fluff it up. I hope you guys loved that tutorial, and I hope that you can use Family Hair Care as your all-in-one product to achieve any types of different looks that you'd like, and including this one because this one is my favorite of all. Mwah.